So after adding the oil, I am going to add some sugar. Now I did not add any browning to my beef, so I am going to make some browning. I am using maybe about a tablespoon of sugar, and I added maybe about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna allow it to start caramelize. Afterwards, I am going to add my beef. I seasoned my beef overnight, so I'm gonna leave all ingredients in the description. Now I am going to cover the pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then I come back. Alright, so this is after 10 minutes. I'm gonna coat them nicely again into that nice browning. So you can see, guys, the beef has a nice beautiful brown color. I don't like the browning from the bottom, make the beef look too black to me, even though you can add just a little bit. But you know, when you burn the sugar, you burn it based on how dark you want the sugar to be. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna add some warm water because I'm gonna pressure my beef. Now you could always slow cook your beef, but make sure you use some warm water either way, because the warm water tenderizes the meat as it cooks. So add enough just to cover the level of the beef, because as it pressures, it rises, the level of the water will rise, so you don't want to add too much water. Alright, so I like to pressure my meat with some fresh seasoning. So the seasoning that I removed from the beef, I am going to add it to the pot, and I'm also gonna add some fresh scallion. Now for me, it had more flavor as the meat cooks. Now I don't have any blended green season, I am out. But at this point, if you had, you could add some in the pot, because the blended green season add more flavor to your beef, and it also helps to tenderize the beef also. So if you have some at hand, you could go ahead, but mine was finished and I didn't make any, so I'm just using the fresh seasoning. So I'm gonna cover it, allow it to pressure, and then I return. So guys, at this point my beef is fully pressured. It's tender enough for me, so I'm going to go ahead and cook down the meat. Now guys, you want to ensure that you test more than one part of the beef, or more than one pieces rather, because some might be fully pressured and some not. So I added some onions, some scallion, few pieces of garlic, and a little bit of ketchup. So my meat was well seasoned. I never had to add any pack season to it while cooking it down. But if you want to add some pack season based on your taste buds, then I go ahead. I also season mine with a lot of scotch bonnet pepper, so I added just a small piece just to cook it down. So I'm gonna allow it to simmer nicely, but I'm gonna add some mixed vegetables, some frozen mixed vegetables. Now if you had fresh carrots and fresh beans, you could go ahead and put some in there, or if you wanted to add tomatoes or whatever you want to add to your beef, go ahead guys. But I just wanted mine to be as simple as it can but still tastes good. Alright, so this is the end product. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and please share with others and subscribe if you're new. And I'll share more beef recipes in the description box, so you could always check it out, and also rice and peas. Alright, so stay blessed.